Hobby Lobby has a ton of like blanks, different things, like templates, different things that you can use for crafting. They have put out a lot more for the spring season right now, so you can grab those. A lot of cute ones too. So you can make like some really nice pieces, especially if you decorate like your front door, you do nice door hangers, you do different things like that. They have a lot of good ones to grab in different styles. So it's not just one style, but they all are themed towards spring. This right here is super cute with the little bows on it and stuff like that. They have big ones, they have small ones. You see that one has like part of it done already, but then they have ones that are like layered that you can grab. They have games that you can customize because it's fun like when you're outdoors, like maybe your backyard or something like that, to have like just games that you can use out there because you spend a lot more time outdoors for the season. A lot of these spring, summer colored crafting items, so like the tumblers, different things like that. But if you wanted to zhuzh it up, give it a little, something, you can do that. They have the cold press stickers and things to go along with these, or you can just do it as is. These make good not gift bags, but like you can put things in them to when you're giving gifts. Those are super cute for that, especially with Valentine's just around the corner. You can grab some of those, the little small tote bags and stuff like that. Those are always cute, and they have a variety of sizes. These aprons I thought were so nice, and they have a few different styles. They have them for kids, they have them for adults, they have pillow covers, they have just a bunch of different things. And the price is really good, and you can always get them, like not always, but you can get them a lot of times on sale, so you don't have to pay that much for them. They have iron-on stickers, they have press-on stickers, they have vinyl stickers. A Hobby Lobby, like a ton of stickers that you can choose from. So if you're looking like to customize something, always check out Hobby Lobby, like for the patches, different things like that. Some of them you have to buy online, but they do have a good amount in stores too. They have the sublimation items. These they usually keep around all year. I didn't know that you could sublimate on sequins. So they had that little pouch there in the sublimation section. They have those little mini suitcases too back at my Hobby Lobby. So check out yours if you were looking for those, because those are cute, especially to give, like I said, little gifts and stuff like that for like bachelorette parties, different things. And a lot of the stickers and patches and stuff go with those type themes and stuff. But for kids' parties, different things, you can get a lot of the items from Hobby Lobby and make like something really cute. Even if you're not like super crafty and you don't know how to put all this stuff together, it's really simple. They have the ceramic blanks too that you can grab. They have glass blanks too that you can grab. But just a lot of different things, a ton of different hats. And the bigger hats, I think you could just grab those and go on as is. But they do have like I said, the patches, different things that you can use to customize it to make it look like something that you want it to look like. The Valentine's fabric is on sale right now at Hobby Lobby for 40% off. But they do have some other seasonal fabric. It wasn't on sale right now at my Hobby Lobby, or at least it wasn't marked as on sale. I got to check the flyer out. But they do have that out too. And they still have Christmas things on sale.